AI around us. AI makes our life easier. Let us look at artificial intelligence that we see around us. Voice Assistant. Voice Assistant is an AI technology that can understand human commands. Some examples of voice assistants are Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. Face detection. Face detection is a special AI technology that can find human faces in pictures or videos by searching for certain features like the shape and texture of faces. You might have seen this in action when your parents unlock their phones with their faces, or when you play with filters on apps like Snapchat that change your face in photos. Navigation. Navigation apps use AI to identify changes in traffic flow and recommend the best route, for example, Google Maps.